with TechExecs here in Austin, Texas for our Smarter World Summit. And with me, we have Patrick. What's your company about?
Whitaker IT is in IT staff augmentation, search, and nearshore. The topic of the day really is nearshoring, and we're here with the idea of educating the Austin IT market a little bit about nearshoring, really what it is and how it compares to domestic outsourcing as well as offshore outsourcing. You know, with kind of the usual players in India, China, the Philippines, Malaysia, and how that might compare to nearshore markets like Costa Rica, Argentina.
The theme today is Smarter World. What about smarter resources?
Okay. Well, nearshoring actually makes a lot of sense from a smarter resources perspective because when you look at the cost of an engagement, when you look at offshoring, the offshoring is dollar for dollar less expensive, but the efficiency that you realize working with an offshore resource in for instance, India, typically is about 60% efficiency versus your domestic staff. Now, in Costa Rica, our clients are realizing 90% efficiency compared to their domestic staff. So when you look at the total cost of engagement, Costa Rica and nearshoring is actually a much better value and therefore a smarter resource.
Well, thank you very much for being here.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
With me, we have Robert. Okay, hi Robert, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thank you. What do you do? What is your company all about?
Our company is a Costa Rican-based company, and we do nearshore outsourcing from our premises in Costa Rica. We offer software development and quality assurance testing as our main services, and we also offer other BPO services. And today we're here to actually talk about nearshore and compare outsourcing with offshore. So basically, the presentation is about the advantages, pros and cons of offshore and nearshore.
Okay, well, thank you so much for being here. I'm here with Krishna. Hi, Krishna. How are you?
Hi there.
Okay, and so what is it that you do? What's your company all about?
We have a couple of companies actually in the mix. So there's BHI, which is the parent company, and BHI is a technology provider to the building industry, the residential home building industry. And then we have EX2 Solutions, which is a technology consulting company. So we provide enterprise website solutions.
Okay, and so what are you expecting to get out of today's panel?
For one thing, EX2 Outcoding, the GM from EX2 Outcoding is presenting today, and EX2 Outcoding happens to be a subsidiary of EX2 Solutions. So that's one of the reasons I'm here, and the other is to kind of figure out what other people are talking about with Nearshore.
Okay, well, thanks so much for coming today.
To more or less explain, the time zone, nearshore there's no time zone issues, differences. In offshore, and this could be Philippines, it could be India, it could be Belarus, it could be China, we have the same issues. The workday, same problem. There's no overlap. Instead, we are working when U.S. companies are working. Travel costs. Not only think about how much expensive the ticket, the airline ticket is. That's not really the cost. The cost is how many days it takes you to get there. The cost is the jet lag once you get there. The cost is 24 hours traveling, $2,000 for the ticket. Put that together with a team of 10, 20, 30 people. It's a big difference. When you do from Houston, you travel to Costa Rica, for example, and you're there in 3 hours. I traveled last night. From Miami, it's 2 hours and a half. So it's almost the same distance to travel to Costa Rica than promoting all the IT initiatives. And they're actually working with the IT companies to give support to this industry and make this grow. Costa Rica, for example, the same place. Few visa restrictions, they're part of the CAFTA. So basically, that NAFTA as a residence. Based on the fact that we have been investing in education, that is our strength. I guess that instead of investing in other areas like the military, we have invested in education. We have, right now, you can see the
It's the most viable solution. There's a number of things that would go into that decision. First and foremost, probably